Dear students, welcome to the Math Olympiad Academy. Let us first explain the concept behind today's problem to help you understand it better. We are given the quadratic equation, x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. Our question is the following. Find the value of the expression. E equals 2 times x squared minus 5x minus 2 plus 3 over 1 plus x squared. Take your time to calculate it, and then choose the correct answer among these 5 proposed values. Before solving the problem, let us recall some basic and essential facts about quadratics and algebraic manipulation. First, notice that we can rewrite the equation as x squared plus 1 equals 3x. It is obvious that x is not equal to 0, so we can safely divide both sides by x. X plus 1 over x equals 3. This identity will be very useful in simplifying our expression. Now, let us return to the expression. E equals 2 times x squared minus 5x minus 2 plus 3 over 1 plus x squared. We can rewrite it cleverly using the original equation. E equals 2 times the quantity x squared minus 3x plus x minus 2 plus 3 over 1 plus x squared. From the quadratic, we know that x squared minus 3x equals minus 1. So, we substitute this value into the expression E equals 2 times minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus 3 over 1 plus x squared. E equals minus 2 plus x minus 2 plus 3 over 1 plus x squared. E equals minus 4 plus x plus 3 over 1 plus x squared. Next, notice that 1 plus x squared equals 3x, so 3 over 1 plus x squared equals 3 over 3, x equals 1 over x. Therefore, the expression becomes E equals minus 4 plus x plus 1 over x. But from our earlier identity, x plus 1 over x equals 3. Hence, E equals minus 4 plus 3 equals minus 1. So the correct choice is E equals minus 1. Notice how using appropriate substitutions and algebraic identities allowed us to simplify this expression easily without having to solve the quadratic directly. Great job, dear students! Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next problem-solving lesson at Math Olympiad Academy to acquire skills and the art of problem-solving. This concludes today's problem. To continue acquiring problem-solving skills, consider subscribing to Math Olympiad Academy.